Hello! At the moment, and welcome back to my workshop. Not in my workshop though. Right, at the moment this windscreen wiper is too stiff to turn. It's normally turned by that. So let me just show you, click you up there. You can just see that up there, turns around. It's obviously stuck solid. So let's show you how you fix that. First thing you need to do is carefully prise that up. Sometimes it can help to pull that up and then tip the whole lot back. Let's start by undoing that, which is 13 millimeters. I just get out a magnet tray. And a couple of small awkward bits on here. I'm going to try and get a puller on there, which we can just get in there. I might have to put the nut back on. That thing is just a little bit awkward there. As it is, let me just feed that nut back on over the top. Well done. There we go. That popped it straight off. Right, so that was easy. So now you have a clip on there. Just give that a clean. Oh, I knew I could get something. Let me just go and right, we have a circle clip there. Get out a couple of small screwdrivers. That one. That one. Not quite a circlip. There we go. Don't want to lose that. There we go. One of those. Right. Now, should just about just tap. I should be back 2 secs. Right, let's just grab that with a pair of pliers. Try and give that a yank. Hold on. Tilt you up. A bit stiff. You just soak that for a while. And just try it. There we go. Just getting it moving. Right. Just give it a tap again. It appears to be moving that as well. Yes, oh, there's a washer there. Okay. That will not help. Okay, right, now we've got that off. That appears to be moving. Right. If you're wondering, that's a 20mm open-ended spanner. I can get on the end of that. Put that on to stop forming the threads. I'm now turning it and pulling it from the inside, and it is now coming out. There we go, dry as a bone. Let's just give that a clean up. Not rusty. You can see the groove in there. And just have a look in the hole with the torch. There's a bit of gaff in there, but no actual rust. Okay. Right. Bit of grease. Let's pop it back together. That needs to be in line with the windscreen wiper when you put that back on. So, pop that in all the way. Just check that, that's not quite in all the way. Just a little bit of tap. Still turning freely. Just make sure I can see the groove for the washer. There it is. On with the washer. And on with the C-clip. Now my hands are covered in grease, it's going to be a pain. There we go. C-clip on. Right. Oops, bugger. Hold on. So I'll put that back on in a sec. I can see how that goes. Right, so goes around there. Ah, okay. Makes life a lot easier. Let me just show you that. That piece is the fixed piece. If it comes off, spring goes in there. Then that goes around there. And that will then just clip over the top. Right, so let's get that off. Right. Perfect. Right. Fixed. Took a little bit longer to get out than normally would. Let me just go try the actual windscreen wiper. There you go, from incredibly stiff, you saw how long it took me to get that out, to fix. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.